Welcome to another in our series of short video nuggets. This video continues on from Fundamentals Part 5 and provides further examples of step actions, including inline decisions. If you have not yet watched Fundamentals Part 4 and 5, we recommend you view them first. We will continue from where Fundamentals Part 5 left off, reloading distance to partial to. Decisions in Automation Studio are used in two ways. Firstly, we can use decision shapes to implement branching or looping. In other words, if a condition is true, go to step A, and if it is not, go to step B. We will see such examples in later videos. This is not what we need here, so we'll delete the decision shape. Secondly, we can use inline decisions where a test of a condition causes a step to execute different actions within the same step. This is what we need here, so we'll select the update comment step. We want our automation to add the comment short trip into the Excel, except if the distance is larger than 150 miles, in which case the comment should say long trip. We will start assuming that the trip is a short one. In the asset tree, expand built-in services, MS Office, MS Excel, and drag set Excel cell value into the action pane. We'll enter cTempDistance.xlsx, sheet 1, D2, and short trip into the fields. In the asset tree, expand flow control and drag if into the action pane. Click the function or use asset button in the if property field. In the dialog, under custom instances, select results decimal and click set. Use the pull down to set the condition to is larger than and set the value to 150. We need another set Excel cell value function. This time we'll use the asset tree search to find it. Start typing set Excel and drag the function under the if. We'll fill in the same details as above, but with the value set to long trip. Save the project. Thank you for watching. Additional nuggets in the video gallery illustrate more Automation Studio concepts. Bye for now.